All right, everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, we're journeying to the most epic sights and spectacular moments caught on camera. Get ready to be amazed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join our community. In California, authorities had to blast massive boulders to clear a mountain road after a landslide. And remember, Iceland's black sand beaches are stunning, but the sneaker waves at Reynisfjara are deadly. Always keep a safe distance. Gale-force winds knocked down trees on December 17th in the Hamilton area, Minnesota, USA.
ये देख रहे हो भाई, ये धूल है, धूल उड़ी हुई है। अबे रोड पे तो नहीं पहुंची है, लेकिन देख रहे हो किस हिसाब से उड़ रही है। देख लो, ये ऐसे उड़ के उसी पे जाम हो गई है। चारों तरफ देख रहे हो, ये धूल है, धूल। मिट्टी उड़ी है। नजारा देखो, बारिश का मौसम बना है, ये धूल उड़ के पूरा एकदम चारों तरफ घेर लिया है।
A towering wall of dust swallowed the city, marking the brutal start of the monsoon. In the Rocky Mountains, a sudden snowstorm caught everyone off guard. On July 25th, the Lauwiwu waterfall roared back to life after weeks of heavy rain. Another eruption of Kilauea volcano began in Hawaii. The lava fountain reached a height of 425 meters, or 1,395 feet. In Thailand, a powerful earthquake was caught on camera as a building under construction collapsed.
Well, right about the time I thought the night couldn't get any more perfect. Oh boy. All under that.
One of the most beautiful videos of the year was filmed in Alaska. A dog sled team under the northern lights and a full moon. At high altitudes, it looks like a plane is hovering motionless on the clouds, but it's just a breathtaking illusion. Behold, a once-in-a-lifetime 8-meter oarfish, a true titan of the deep. We think of lava as slow-moving, but it can surge like a fast-moving river of fire. Have you ever seen a controlled demolition? It's a terrifyingly fascinating display of precision power.
Oh my God, Mom! This is literally as high as the kitchen counters.
Whether it's Wellington or Nepal, these moments leave us wondering, is nature testing our resilience? Heavy rains turned part of the coastline into a crimson mass on the southern Iranian island of Hormuz. In Minnesota, a massive dust storm engulfed the plains like a scene from an apocalypse. A giant tornado in the fields of Texas. In Northern California, a landslide triggered a domino effect of falling trees, showing that when nature decides to trim the forest, it doesn't do it quietly. In New South Wales, a raging stream effortlessly dismantled a bridge under repair. Tornado and its aftermath in Indonesia.
Ya Allah. Wih. Ya Allah.
Wih.
Ya Allah Akbar. Ya Akbar akhir.
Astagfirullahaladzim, kejadian di Benrang nih. Hampir satu pabrik roboh.
A 35-meter replica of the Statue of Liberty collapsed on December 15th in Porto Alegre, southern Brazil, due to strong winds. Eruption of the Fuego volcano in Guatemala. While the Lombok earthquake transformed a peaceful mountain into a scene of absolute geological chaos. A spectacular parade of dolphins recently captivated crowds along the California coast.
¡Salga, salga! ¡Madre, salga, salga!
Snow labyrinths up to 2 meters high formed after a heavy snowstorm and snowfall in Yakutia, Russia.
Идет со школы, то все. Весь транспорт, блин, да, тормозил, орут, матерятся все.
If you strike phosphorus stones, they can ignite due to their pyrophoric properties.
Oh my gosh. Holy. This bridge is gonna collapse. We are not getting home. Holy. I missed it by a half second. Oh my.
The moment of a 6.5 magnitude earthquake in Mexico City, Mexico. pyroclastic flow on Mount Merapi volcano. Lava flow on the slope of Mount Etna, Italy. While in Maui, intense flash floods turn the pristine coastline into a sea of mud. Lava flow on the slope of Mount Etna, Italy. In France, hailstones the size of baseballs hammered homes, a frozen testament to nature's relentless wrath. In California, where a massive tree suddenly slides and crushes a highway mid-storm, turning a routine drive into total chaos. Flooding on December 16th in Pacific, Washington, USA. Cloud waterfall on the island of Vero in Norway. Switch gears to a hilarious encounter. Is that a dog? No, it's a black bear.
No, look. This bear walked perfect to it. It's a black bear. They're bad bears. Just sitting there, just looking at me as I opened the door. But there was another bear that he was playing with, and then he left it and came in.
While near Indianapolis, a menacing funnel cloud shredded everything in its path. These aren't just weather events. They are clear warnings of the tornado's absolute destructive power.
All right, this is Johnny on the spot, reporting from Juneau, Alaska. And yes, this was supposed to be rain. And it's snow. It's coming down in feet. We got more last night. We're getting more right now. So I'm going to try and make it to the visitor center. Wish me luck.
Meanwhile, in Utah, you might witness the bizarre sight of fish literally falling from the sky during high-altitude lake restocking. And here, a hero wades into freezing water to rescue trapped deer, a simple, selfless act of kindness. You can see the fear fade from the deer's eyes as it realizes it's being saved. But remember, even on calm waters, disaster can strike without warning. and witness the mystical Uluru as heavy rains transform it into a stunning network of waterfalls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more mind-blowing moments from around the world. We'll see you in the next video.